Hello guys, so you're welcome back to today mathematics class. So let's play around this question. Let's solve this problem here. So this question was asked for one of my students from my WhatsApp group. So I decided to take the question up and to provide the solution. So if this is the first time you guys are watching my video or following my video or anywhere of the social media, do well to subscribe, like, or turn your button. And if you follow my Facebook page, I'd like you to go take 1 minute to follow up, like this video, and share with your friend or family. God bless you guys as you do so. And more wisdom, knowledge, and understanding as you share this video. And also, I want to invite you to some more things that's very important. You may be looking how you can understand this topic, okay? Many of you watching this video at this moment, you may dislike mathematics. And mathematics is one of the very simple topic, okay? Subject rather, a simple subject that I have. Though it depends on you guys and think that is very difficult. Mathematics is very simple. So I want to advise you, I want to recommend this course for you. If you want to learn everything about this topic, it is called logarithm. Okay, we have a lesson like video like this lesson that are combined together as a course, and it is going for just 500 naira at this moment. So if you want to learn everything about logarithm, okay, right from the beginner to the advanced level, from the SS1 to the SS3 level, and to the WAEC standards, where to the WAEC standard, to the JAM standards, and to any kind of exam, we have solved almost like 100 questions there, and we treat every step by step of the logarithm, right for the definition, the rules, and the law of logarithm. Everything is in that course. So if you want to get it, you can let me know, okay, in the comment section, or message me WhatsApp or the number on the screen right now. So come message me there, or let me call the number for you. That will be better. Okay, the number is, okay, let me write the number here. We have 090, okay, 61, we have 22, we have 16, we have 516. So this is the number. You can message me on WhatsApp, so I'll direct you to the Play Store. You can access to that course, and it is just 500 naira to learn everything about logarithm. Okay, logarithm is very simple topic, and if you still find it difficult and you have interest of getting the course, I will advise you to get the course before you go to the exam, because we break everything down that you, if at all you don't like mathematics at all, when you attend the course, you definitely love it. Okay, and then you'll be mastered of that logarithm. I can assure you if you attend the course. So let's play around this card. Let's play around this question. Okay, many of you coming for the group. Okay, many of you have tried your best. You try your best, and many of you got it right, and some of you still don't understand the way it is solved. So that is the one I bring this the question up so we can solve it together. Now let me read it again, and then we go to the solution without using a calculator or mathematical table. Okay, find the value of log 3.6 given that log 2 is given at 0.3010 and log 3 is given at 0.4771 and log 5 is given at 0.6993. Now how to solve this question? So let's quickly solve this question. Okay, the question now, we ought to want to find log of 33.6. Now, the first thing to cut your mind here, and we are given the data to use to find this log 3.6. Now, since data is given out, the first to cut your mind here, this number here is in decimal. You ought to first converting the decimal to a fraction. Okay, you convert the decimal to fraction. Okay, that was the first idea. That's the first thing to come to your mind. Whenever you see a question like this in this government examination or any kind of exam or any kind of question, and you're given this question to find something like the log of this 3.6, without using mathematical table or calculator, the first thing to come to your mind is to convert the given number to fraction, because it is decimal. We convert it to fraction. Now, if you ask a question, how do you convert it to fraction? It is quite very simple. Right from your primary school, you are taught how to convert decimal to fraction, right? So in the fastest way, let me just give you how you can convert it. Very simple. So if you don't understand it, so that is why I said that course is very important if you want to wish to learn about this logarithm. So let's say we have 3.7. So let me just write it out here. We have 3.6 rather. Okay, the first thing to hear then, after the decimal point, here is whole number and here is the this is the decimal number, because the number before point is the whole number, and after this decimal point it is called a decimal number. So since the decimal number here, so how many digits do we have in the decimal part here? It is 1 digit. So that 1 digit, let's say it's got the word 0. Okay, that 1 digit make what? 0. All right, now since we have 1 digit, it's got 0. So if you remember, 1 0 making what? 10. Okay, now so it means that you write this whole number that's equal to 36 divided by 10. If it is 2 digits, for example, if you have something like 3.66, so after this decimal point, how many digits do we have? We have 1 2 that begins as 20, and 20 make what? 100. So it means that you write all the digits of number we have here, that is 366 divided by what? 100. So that is how you convert it to fraction. I get now. So now here we have 3.6, and after this decimal point we have 1 digit of number. That's making what? 10, and 10 make what? 100. And I write the two combination of the whole number and the decimal number together. We have 36 over 10. When you divide 10 divided by 36, we have 3.6. So that is how it converts. It's very simple trick to convert it. How you get it now? Now since you have converted now, so the question now becomes, we have a log, okay? Log of open bracket, that is 36 divided by 10. So we have it like that. Now if you remember, something is common here. 2 is common to both sides there. I get now. So 2 here we have 5, right? 2 here we have 18. Yeah. So therefore the log of the question becomes, that is log of, okay, 18 open bracket, we have 18 divided by 5. So that simply means what we have there. So the next thing you have to do here, okay, we got this one, okay, we have 18 over 5 are in fraction. So if you still remember, when you have division, okay, the expression according to the law of logarithm, let's say that we have log of okay, let's say log of, we have a divided by b. Okay, when you have this expression, is equal to the answer to this expression in logarithm according to the law of logarithm is equal to, that's log, because these two, they both share what? This log, this a and b share this log, okay, and this division here will change to minus, so that will be equal to log of a minus the division, that's minus log of a rather minus, that's the division here will change to minus, and log of what? Of b. So that is the expression. Again, so the same thing occur here. So this simply means that we have a log of, okay, log of 8, okay, log of 18 rather, log of 18 minus log of 5. That is just it. So we have log of 18, this minus, this division changes to minus, and we have a log of 5. Okay, and we are supposed to use this data, so you have get log 5. Log 5 is given as this, okay, and now we have log 18, and in our question, we don't see 18 there, we only see 2 and 3. Now, if you look at this 18, we can express 18, if you find the prime factor of 18, so we can say that, okay, let me use the prime factor method. If I use the prime factor method, it's not the same thing. So if I should use prime factor method to find this 18, we have 8, right? We have 8, the prime factor of 8, the first prime number, that is what? 2. I ask a question, what's a prime number? A number that can have 2 factors. 1 and itself. So 1 and itself, the first number as the prime number we have is 2. 1 is not classified as a prime number. Like, so can 2 divided by 18? Yes. So it's 2 divided by 18. That goes as what? As 9. That divided by 2 divided by 18 is 9 times. I get now. Now, the next thing to do here, can 2 divided by 9 is not possible. Okay. The next prime number is 3. That's 3 divided by 9. That's equal to what? 3. So 3 can be also by 3 again. We have what? 3. So that means that we have 18 is equal to, that is 3, that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So these are the prime factor of 18. So if you look at it now, we have a 2 is given, we have 3 is given here. So this will come be expressed as this. Let me create a space. So in and out, we have 18 now, and 18 is equal to this. So let's put it into what we have here. So let me write it here. We have a log of, okay, open brackets, 18 is equal to, that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 close bracket log of what? Of 5. Now, this one can be expressed as indices form, as index form. So it can be equal to, that's log of, okay, 2 open bracket multiplied by log of 3 raised by what? Of 2 close bracket that equal to what? Log minus, that is minus of log of what? Of 5. So this 3 raised power of 2, this one they both share this log we have here. This share this also will share this. They both share this logarithm here. These two share this log, and 3 raised power of 2 share this log. So this can be expressed as log of, okay, of 2, okay, multiplied by, we have log of 3 raised power of what? Of 2 minus log of 5. That's log of 5. Now, next thing we have to do here now, here we have multiplication. So we have expression according to the law of logarithm. When you have log of A multiplied by log of B, so this can be expressed as log of A plus log of B, because multiplication will change to plus. So the same thing occurs at this place, and that be equal to, this one becomes log of 2 plus, okay, log of 3, log of 3 what is power of 2 minus log of 5. Now the next thing you have to do here, so we still have something like this, a log of 3 raised power of 2, okay, so it's the same thing. I'm writing this thing, if you still remember for the law of logarithm again, I'm just referring to the law of logarithm. That's why I said that the course is very important for you. So if you don't understand the law of logarithm, you'll find it difficult to solve this problem. So if you still remember the law of logarithm, that say that we have log of, okay, A raised power of B. So this B is the power, okay, if it comes to this part, it will be equal to, that is B log of A. So that's the expression. You have an expression like this, it's the same thing as this, and also when you have an expression like this is the solution to it. So if you look at this, log of 3 raised power of 2, it can be expressed as, so therefore it will be equal to log of 2, okay, plus, we have this 2 will come to this part, according to the expression we have here, we have a 2, okay, log of 3 minus log of 5. Now, since our log of, let me try to break it down here. So since our log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 3 is equal to 0.4771 and log 5 is equal to 0.6990. So let's put it into what we have here, and then we solve our answer. We solve the solution of it. So let me try to bring it up. So that will be equal to, so in this place, log 2 is equal to 0.3010, right? So that will be equal to log 2 is equal to, let me write it here, log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So log 3, okay, log 3 is equal to 0.4771, and log, listen, log 3, log of 5. Log of 5 is equal to 0.6990. So let's put it into data we have here. Log 2 is equal to, that is equal to 0.3010 rather, plus, and 2, we have 2 open bracket, this log 3 is equal to 0.4771 close bracket, minus, we have log 5 is equal to 0.6990. Okay, now let's do the simple calculation here. The first of all here, you can open this bracket with 2. So when you say 2 multiplied by, okay, 2 multiplied by 0.4771, that will give us equal to, that is 0.95. So 2 times this, that gives us 0.95. So let me write it out. We have 0.3010 plus 2 times this, that gives us 0.9542 minus, and here we have 0.6990. So let's add everything together. So we have 0.310 plus 0.9542 minus 0.6990. So that will be equal to, okay, it will be equal to 0.5562. So the answer is equal to 0.5562. So when you have evaluates, okay, it means that therefore you can say that log of 3.6 is equal to 0.5562. So that is the answer to this problem, and that is how you solve it. That is step by step and how you solve this question like this. So guys, if you enjoyed the class, don't forget to subscribe, like, also turn your button in case what we have benefit like this, then you'll be the first to notify. So thank you for attending the class at this moment. Don't forget to share with your friend so they can also benefit from this class. So thank you. We shall meet in the next class.